Hello everyone, I'm Kim Gi-young.
and Kim Young-jun.
Today we'd like to talk about historical dramas. Historical dramas are to depict history. Some of them manage to derive significant insight into the past. Such good ones are often recommended for viewers of all ages.
On a light note, some historical dramas spiced up the facts in fictional editions. The public usually responds by criticism, and such creativity sacrifice historical facts over fictional stories for entertainment purposes.
Secret Door, SBS drama starring Han Seok-kyu and Lee Ji-hoon, premiered in September 2014 with high expectation. However, it received viewers' criticism for excessively glamorizing Crown Prince Sado. The drama depicts him as a hero or heart for his people. His father, Kim Young-jo, on the other hand, was portrayed in the drama as obsessed with his throne.
The King's Face, a drama on KBS starring Seo In-guk and Lee Sung-jae, made some viewers feel uncomfortable, and historical events are debated to have been determined by Charles Fishman. Was the drama's distortion of history resulted in viewers' criticism? It also brought about the subcountry low ratings.
History-based dramas need to be based on accurate history, maintaining a good balance between fantasy and reality. It should not confuse fiction with fact. Further, it should not mislead the viewers.
Yes, you're right. The reason people want to see historical dramas is because they want to know historical drama facts in a different way.
Yeah, I agree with you.
I know, yes. Now it's time to finish our presentation. Thank you for listening to us.